Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I wanted to get you my thoughts before the close today with the election tomorrow. I'm expecting a lot of volatility. Uh, if I had to lay this out, I would say you've seen my long-term chart going back 30 years on the S&P 500, and we have a 5-year negative divergence, which at some point is going to matter, meaning that we'll have some sort of a huge correction. I'm not calling for that now. On the flip side of that, well, let's take a look. Hold on. Let's take a look at the intermediate term, just the last couple of years. So this is the intermediate term. So forget the long-term picture that I just spoke about. I know it's hard to do, but even on a 3-year chart, we've had all these higher highs. Here's our bullish channel. We're exceeding the resistance line of the bullish channel, telling us that we're overbought. And we have a negative divergence on the weekly chart. Each one of these bars is a week. So we've had that going on since March. So, again, it's not a positive. And, but on the flip side of the negativity that I just shared with you, there's record hedging going on. There's put buying has been huge. So people are hedging their long position. If they own Apple, they're buying a put to hedge the downside on that. So people are worried. And, historically, when you have huge put buying like that, it's a bullish situation because if those people have to start selling their puts, it could really skyrocket the market. The other thing on the bullish side is that the market is really oversold. So this is Tom McClellan's McClellan oscillator that his parents developed. And you can see we're down here at a very oversold level. So you can see when we've hit oversold levels in the past, we've gotten a nice bounce, at least, temporarily. So all of that says, short term, this could go either way, probably with a bias to the upside for a couple of days or a week or whatever. But I want to caution you, don't get caught chasing the market intraday one way or the other. If the market's down 1,000 points, don't start selling into that because by the end of the day, that thing could reverse. Previous elections that's happened. So, especially with the hedging that's going on. So, I'd wait till the close, let the dust settle, or just before the close and see where we're at, and don't get caught up in all the noise intraday. I hope that makes sense. That's what I'm going to do. So anything that I want to sell or anything I want to buy, I'm doing that today. So here we got platinum. It's been weak lately. So again, touching that, adding a little bit to platinum. Our stop is down here at 87. So we're at 90 and our price projection is 104 on the short-term chart, but it's much, much higher on the longer term chart. So the reward to risk looks really good on platinum right now. China. Again, this is a market with a low correlation to the S&P 500. And you can see that, we have a stop down here at 30. We're at approximately 32 currently. And we think on this chart, we got 39 on the upside, but you've seen the long-term chart that I've shown on the Shanghai index, which suggests much higher prices. Gold miners, another one. Been down the last couple of weeks. We're still looking for another push higher. We're getting towards the end of this push, but we the price projection based on this huge inverse head and shoulders is 50. So we have more upside. So, it's something that I've not added a lot to, but I've been adding a little bit. Marathon Oil, energy was down big and now it's up big today. And I just got to block out all that noise. And if you look at Marathon Oil, here's the big symmetrical triangle suggesting 4150, and we're currently at not even 2750. So a lot of potential upside here. We got our stop down at 25. So I bought some of that the other day when it was down. I sold a little bit today. It's up. And other energy stocks like XLE, the ETF, it was down last week and bought some. And so up almost 2% today. I'm selling a little bit. Here's our stop down at 86. Price projection on the upside 115. REITs, they've been really, really weak along with utilities because of bond yields going higher, which is not good for interest rate sensitive things. And so I'm still long, but barely. I got a 97 stop. We're at 97.80. And what I did actually, if we look at the next chart, we were stopped out of NNN National Retailers, which I did a video on YouTube saying we were stopped out. American Homes, we got stopped out on Friday at 35. So I took some of that money and I added it to the REIT index. It's a broader index with many different sectors within the REIT complex. So, right now the reward to risk is very favorable. And that's what I did. Again, intraday tomorrow could be pretty crazy, but, at the end of the day, we'll look. And if it's broke, then I will sell it. Copper, still long copper, hasn't moved much. Here's where we reinitiated with a buy. It's up today, and we'll see. I'm not putting a stop on this because of the volatility in copper. So I don't like that situation, but that's where we're at. Biotechs, the iShares, NASDAQ Biotechnology ETF, just kind of been consolidating here over the last 4 or 5 months. Big breakout from an ascending triangle here. Price projection 173. My stop is at 137. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. If you do, you'd get this intraday and it might help you organize your thoughts. Thank you. Have a great day. Tomorrow should be really interesting. Adios.